No means is this a review. We play the first 10, maybe 20 minutes, and then we tell you what we think. That's it.
What are we playing this week?
This week it is XCOM ENEMY UNKNOwn.
This is a new version of an old turn-based strategy game. We play a new one. We're going to tell you what we think.
Yes, it is unknown as to whether it is dope or nope, or
I see what you did there with the horrible play on.
Yeah, we should probably just jump in.
Okay, yeah,
let's just do that.
All right, so XCOM. Get into it here at the first cutscene. Two possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe or we are not. Both are equally terrifying.
Agreed.
That's a great quote by Arthur C. Clarke.
There's a similar quote. Either so Hinky is alone in his bed or he is also alone in his bed. By Lasercorn.
Yeah, that's an equally terrifying quote. I'm going to give it a dope for that quote, though.
Yeah, that quote was
It's an awesome quote. And now we're going into our first cutscene here.
Oh, snap. These guys are getting, like, alien possessed.
Yeah. This guy's making a run for it, though.
I think he's going to get away.
Oh!
Nope!
No, that is not but we'll be clear, that's not a nope. That's just,
No, I was just saying nope, he didn't make it.
He did not make it.
Yeah.
I'm digging the graphics so far in this cutscene. We'll have to see what the in-game graphics are like, but so far.
I'll dope this cutscene.
Yeah, it's a pretty sweet cutscene.
Let's dope the cutscene.
Alright, 2 dopes so far, guys. We haven't even started playing.
Good luck, Commander.
I really wish us luck and an
Creepy,
awesome
faceless
voice.
guy.
Yeah, that was a sweet voice. I almost came very close to giving a dope for that voice. That was a pretty dope voice.
Yeah.
Right, obviously we got to go with America here.
America!
Even though I don't know, each one gives you a different bonus, but we gotta
Coming
go
to
with
save the motherfucking day, yeah.
Making me have to use censor bleeps, adding more work to my job.
But that's what America does. They save the motherfucking day.
Or throw a grenade.
Oh snap, you're right by that pot of death.
Uh-oh.
How are you not getting... Whoa! Aliens!
Lots of aliens. Well, 2 aliens. That's too many if you ask me. I'm going to shoot. Jesus.
Shoot first. Ask if they're hostile later. Well, what are they doing?
They seem to have mind linked somehow.
Mind meld.
Oh look, it gave him 1 more health. That's nonsense.
Oh, she's being shot at.
You know what's cool there? Destructible cover.
Oh, that is cool.
That's a dope. That's a dope immediately.
Yeah.
Oh, he's moving, and she's gonna take a pot shot, and she misses.
Probably her goofy hair getting in the way.
I'm gonna give a nope for that haircut.
Yeah, nope the haircut. Does this game take place in the future?
It does.
Because if that's what hair is like in the future.
Well, no, it's in the very near future. It's like 2014 or something.
Yeah. Glad I live in the present.
So, I feel like I should grenade these guys.
Yeah. Fire grenades at them all the time.
Maybe that means that I can see them better or something?
Yeah, maybe those are the ones that are visible to you.
And
nice
boom!
Grenade! Oh, nice!
Got
Did that thing
3.
explode? Were they hiding behind a gas pump?
Yeah.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah. Destructible environments, grenades, blowing things up. I want to give another dope just for the like the animations look pretty slick. I don't know, it's good. It's good all around.
Yeah, let's dope that. This is really a cool format for a turn-based strategy game. A lot of times you're looking down at like a flat board or something.
No, and cool. I like that there's 3D movement. Like you can move up.
Yeah, very cool.
I would guess gives you an advantage of some kind.
Keep hiding by that gas pump, sucker!
And here comes another grenade for that ass.
Boom!
He's gone, and the truck exploded.
Nice.
Wow, that was good. It was a good mission, if I do say so myself.
Yeah, good work.
All right.
Dark Justice. Complete.
An excellent rating on both.
Sounds like a mission that involves Batman somehow. Operation Dark Justice.
He's actually just hiding in the background watching in case we need him.
Maybe that's who you are. Maybe you're Batman controlling these guys. What is with that sweater? That green...
That's you know, it's an army, it's regulation.
Yeah.
It's an XCOM sweater.
In the future, we're all obsessed with Mr. Rogers. We model all our military uniforms after Mr. Rogers sweaters.
It's a beautiful day in the apocalypse. The apocalypse. Ooh, I can upgrade these guys.
Cool.
One of them is a sniper. It's a big-ass sniper rifle.
Yeah.
That is quite large. Something that Lasercorn's never heard in bed.
Ouch. So Hinky never forgets. He just lies in wait.
I mean, I couldn't let you go with that comment from earlier.
I know.
Yeah. And now we're in the research lab, and this was that bitch that was whining at me a moment ago for blowing up the aliens, being like, "You shouldn't blow them up. We need to save them so we can research them."
Who let PETA into this game?
I know, and they're not even aliens. They're killer. I mean, they're not even animals. They're killer aliens.
Did you not see earlier, you dumb bitch, when they turned everyone into f***ing corpses with their green stuff?
Clearly trying to murder me in that last mission until I did some sweet grenade work. Let's go to mission control. Scan for activity.
Oh, that's cool. I kind of want to dope that.
The little spinny globe?
Yeah.
All right.
A little hologram.
I'll allow it. I'll allow the hologram.
Just cool.
No. I want scientists. That speed up my speed of research. Let's do that.
What country? Do we go to China?
I think, yeah, China. Because all the scientists are clearly over in China.
Yeah.
It's the only place that they exist.
God, can you swap out that chick with the stupid haircut?
Nah, I'm gonna keep her. Every team needs a stupid haircut girl for the aliens to shoot at. They need a target. Yeah. She's got to run the rabbit.
Just make sure you sacrifice her first. Dashing.
You know what's awesome is I can just get up. So I'm gonna put my sniper on this roof. That seems like something you do with a sniper.
Yeah, that's a good move. You know what's nice about them is they have nice big heads. So I feel like it's a big target for a sniper to hit. Hide behind the porta potties.
Yeah, because nothing can shoot through a porta potty.
That's really gonna stink though if they start blasting the porta potty.
Should I take a shot? 45%?
Yeah, go for it.
I'm going for it. I think I'll go for it. Yeah.
Shoot him!
And I got the kill animation. He's down.
Nice.
That's pretty dope.
That was fast.
Yeah.
That was dope. I did like the cool kill animation. Are we doping that?
I don't know. Let's wait. Let's wait and see the other kill animations. Maybe. It says they're falling back, but he seems to have moved forward.
Where?
All right. Let's go ahead.
Was that the stupid haircut chick that yelled out they're falling back?
She did.
She is just worthless. I hope she dies so hard.
She doesn't know anything. They seem to be in this building. One of them just randomly jumped out the window. Like, this glass.
Peek around the corner.
That seems like an easy shot. She misses this.
Take it.
Nope, kill animation. Boom.
Bam.
That was slightly different than the last one.
Slightly. Looks like she's not completely worthless. Oh, I hope someone kills her though, still.
She does seem to be in harm's way. And random exploding crate. Dope that?
I guess.
Dope for random exploding crate.
Alright.
Oh no. There's a guy right there and I'm out of turns.
How did you not see him? Alien activity.
Oh wait, I got an Overwatch guy.
He's shooting through the wall?
And he missed.
That's pretty cool though,
yeah,
that they can take shots through the wall.
Oh, hair girl's getting shot.
Yes!
Oh, she got shot.
Excellent.
For critical damage.
I don't like her anyway.
No,
She's
she
retreating.
panicked.
She panicked. Yeah, get him!
54%, that seems
wow,
low.
that alien is completely unaware.
He missed from point blank range.
Now they're just hanging out together like buddies.
That's bad news.
Grenade both of them.
I want to.
Blow them all up.
I don't want to hit my own guy though.
Come on.
I wish that the aliens would just advance instead of you having to uncover them.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
That's a note for that. Just because it takes like kind of too long sometimes to get into combat. I also feel like that's an unfair advantage for the aliens that like they don't maneuver independently of you, it seems. It's like you have to find them first.
Yeah. I don't know. I think they should be able to find you.
Exactly.
The whole thing. That would be scarier if they like burst in and like if like reinforcements had come in while those two guys were fighting you. That would have been awesome.
Yeah, because then
you would have
hit the fan. Yeah. Up here. Oh, there's a cool animation again.
Yeah.
That was badass.
All right, we'll put a dope back in.
Right,
alien activity. Something bad's over there. I can't wait to see what it is. I hope it's something frightening.
Oh no!
Yes!
I should have put Hair Girl out there.
Sacrifice her.
I don't think she's gonna get sacrificed.
Yeah.
She actually will probably.
Can you
get
hit both
skills.
of them at once?
Looks like it.
Oh yeah.
And toss.
You know what I wonder though is if you sacrifice some damage because they're not as close to the center. Oh.
Nope. 3 damage.
Yeah, looks like you got him. Mission completed. Good work.
That was pretty damn good.
Yeah.
This game's pretty dope.
Yeah. Overall, I would say dope.
And you know what? We haven't even seen any of the advanced guns or anything.
That was 2 missions, and I already want to see more, see what they have in store for the player.
All right. So, overall, very dope.
Dope!
All Alright guys, well, hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time on Dope or Nope.
If there's any games you want to see, Dope or Nope, make sure to hit us on that @SmoshGames Twitter, or just comment on the videos.
See ya! Later!